Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Good morning, your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez, live. We are in a Tuesday, ready to look at the market and look at trading opportunities, familia. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so my computer is giving me some problems. I probably not gonna be here for a longer time, probably for a good half hour, 45 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can bring it to a place where they can do something about it. One second. Sorry, I had somebody coming and getting my car keys. But anyways, going back, familia. Yeah, I won't be here for too long because I'm gonna see if I can bring my computer to be checked. But anyways, the market did a pretty nasty drop only because of a news event. It seems that Americans are not agreeing to what Iranians are proposing. Therefore, the market did a huge correction to the downside and is trying to recover, but it's still below, very big down below the daily VWAP. I don't think the market is gonna keep coming down. This is a clear Elliott wave formation. Probably gonna come down for an Elliott wave 2 formation. So all we need to do is measure this stuff and wait for the levels to continue pushing to the upside. As you guys know, I don't like 38%, and it's not my thing. So let's wait, familia. Let's wait. Market opening in 7 minutes. I believe this thing is gonna push to the upside. There's no tomorrow. So if anything, focus again into buying the market. I got people texting me. Got the tech guy who's gonna take my computer. I don't know what's going on with my computer. I'm tired. All night long. Sorry, I got people texting me about taking my computer in. It's a pretty heavy Monday, Tuesday. And we're gonna be buying in the market again, buying. When you are looking for a good size pullback, how big is your big? The levels are there. I don't like 38%. Waiting for a pullback and getting into the trade. Waiting for it for me. Wait. Too many messages. Too many messages in the bar. There you go. Just mixing some lights. Got 4 minutes. One second, I'm waiting for Mila for the market to open. We got only 3 minutes. It's very simple. I'm not gonna go through a lot of details. It's simple as this. Pushing to the upside at some point, and this is where we take advantage of the market. All right. Put you down, 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 down. Man, it's crazy, crazy, crazy Tuesday. Crazy Tuesday. Right, I don't like 38%, but I'm gonna be buying around this area here, maybe the 50%. We got 1 minute, 1 minute. Come on, 1 minute. Ah, come on. No. No. Spikes right before market opening. I'm buying. I'm buying. I'm buying now before. Wow, this is a crazy move. Before market open, I'm buying the market. I'm buying the market. Wow, this is prior market opening. This is crazy. What's going on? Market opening. Ay, Dios mío, what is this? What is this? My God.
This is crazy. An insane spike to the upside. The market drop. No. What a crazy move. What just happened here? Oh my god. Oh. No. Come on. Ah. That bited me really hard, so... Oh no. What happened? Yeah. Jesus. You guys saw this? This is crazy. No, 38% are not good. This is the actual entry here. But this spike got me into the trade, put me out immediately. Look at that for me. It's ridiculous. It is ridiculous, but that is trading. That is trade. That's 1 second. I'm getting into too many things at this time. It's just my head is everywhere right now. Look at that, it's a perfect trade, and it took me out. Perfect trade for me. Look at that, perfect trade, and because it got me on the top, it got me out. So it happens, familia. It happens. Gotta get. Pretty crazy. It is a crazy morning for me, no doubt. Look at that, TP1 in my setups, it will be a TP1, but it got me out because I got in too early, and the drop, it was insane. And it just didn't work out for me. It's not if I like the 38%, it's no good. Alright, let's get going all over again. That was a minus $2,000 setup. It happened too quick. It bited me hard. And that was on my PA accounts, by the way. It happened too quick. You guys saw it. It spikes to the top and then drop. And look at that, all the way to the top again. Like it wouldn't. Man, I'm telling you, there are days like that. And honestly, familia, I went through all my retools of things that I can do, and yeah, like this computer situation just got me completely out of my focus. Now I got people texting me like crazy, so let me just fix a few things here. It is not a good day. Not a good day. Alright. It looks like it's gonna keep pushing to the upside. Very good, very good. Man, this is a perfect trade. It's just, again, familia, to me personally, like my head is all over the place right now. I got people texting me about my computer. They want to take it. You guys saw it as soon as the market opened. I got my wife coming around and asking me questions. It happens. It all came in like in 1 minute. You guys need to understand, for example, when I come to trade, I go through a process, a mental process. It takes me about 15 to 30 minutes to focus on what I'm doing. That's what I'm really good at this stuff. But when I get all these things coming at once, my head just goes everywhere. So I want to write that down on my journal just to make sure that it's documented, and I try to avoid it the next time, because there will be many times like this. Yeah, I saw it a few days ago. The same thing happened. I was on my phone. People just out of spikes. I took a trade decision. Things didn't go well. So I need to avoid being in these situations and being trading at the same time. Because I had the setup on my screen, a perfect setup. A perfect setup. Perfect setup. And I wasn't thinking. And you guys saw it was like this spike, boom, reaction to it. It was like, what the heck? I didn't want to miss it. I got like FOMO kicking in right away, and he wasn't out. Big L for him. And it was a big L because I didn't even have time to put a proper stop loss. Literally, it was a reaction, boom, and then the market just dropped completely. And it's okay to take that as stop loss. It's the stop loss that the broker set for you. But if I had, for example, my Take Profit Traders account and that incident happened, I would be in profit because it wouldn't close my trades. But it could have burned my account completely. This time, I kind of lost what I earned in the last few days. but I will get back on my feet. That's totally fine. And it's funny because like the plan was only to make little money on this account for the next few days. As a matter of fact, could have withdrawn today 60K. That was, yeah, that's true. I could have withdrawn today 60K because it was a $3,000 payout now. And the last withdrawal was last week. So today is Tuesday, right? So another 5 days. But it's not happening. It's fighting this EMA here. I strongly believe this market is going to keep pushing to the upside. It's time to recover this big drop. And, you know, there was some news event going on that unless they add more to it for this event that is going to happen today. But if nothing is added, buyers will keep buying. This is an opportunity for buyers to buy. Again, it's NAS, it's on the low point, and I think this market is going to continue cranking to the upside like crazy. No doubt about that. There you go, recover. That's a huge recovery. Sweet, sweet, sweet. It's coming up. Look at that, familia. Telling you, it'll be a perfect trade. I hope you guys took it. I hope you guys took it. That is a perfect trade. It happens. It happens. Wow. This thing is cranking up like crazy. Awesome, Tony. If you're in, I'm happy. It's okay because at the end of the day, these are like funded accounts and it's really not real money. But it's understanding how to recover what matters. Baby steps. Baby steps, my friend, baby steps. What is this market trying to do right now? Coming down, Elliott wave 4. Wow, that's a nice Elliott wave 2, then 4 coming. Elliott wave 4 coming like it's hot. So if you guys got into that buy, consider closing soon. I'm gonna be heading out very soon too. I got less than 16 minutes. Oh boy. What is it gonna do now? Pushing to the upside. Okay, let's go. Anybody buying? Make sure that you're considered closing. This is an Elliott wave 4 and then catch an Elliott wave 5. Alright? We're in a wave 3, yes. Going up, that's right. Awesome, Tony, awesome. Yes, it is. I'm extremely busy. The market is acting up weird. That was a pretty decent drop this pre-market, and it's just time to recover. Americans are not gonna leave this market alone. Recover time to the upside. Gonna come all the way close to that AW up again. Buying, my friends, buying. On pullbacks, alright. Oh, man. It's funny how all this thing happened like within a minute, like everything like bam, bam, bam. It's idle in there. What's going on? I'm looking at this. Doing a bear bull flag. A bull flag, yes. He's doing a bull flag. So he's gonna continue to the upside. This is a continuation pattern. There's a knot at the bottom that he can spike down and then push back up. Just watch out, okay? This is a continuation pattern. So don't be afraid, my friends. Don't be afraid. Break of that continuation pattern. Let's see. Or is it gonna come down? It's gonna continue pushing to the upside. So you guys know. Upside, upside. There you go. Wow. That was a drastic drop. What was that about? What was that about? And pushing back up. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Honestly, I Donald Trump he's gonna get sued, man. Like, these guys playing with the market, truly doing like playing with the market. Like, why would he tweet something like that? Insiders news. That's illegal. Supposed to be illegal, but this guy's doing whatever he wants with the market right now. Donald Trump is doing whatever he wants with the market. It is ridiculous. The way forward, of course. The Iranian army spoken. We don't consider the war to be over. Including 6 oil tankers. Okay, the way forward, my friends, and it's cutting through that imbalance. Very interesting. Sorry if I got many people texting me. Dropping. It is dropping. Dropping LOA 4. Whoa, that's a pretty deep LOA 4. That's a pretty deep Elliott wave 4. Let's see now. Waiting for me now. It's coming down. Oh wow, it's coming back up. That's crazy. I mean, I have to leave as well. I got many things to do. I will catch you guys in the afternoon. All right. I'll talk to you guys later because the market it is wild right now. Take care.
Goodbye.